Think your car's already got everything? Think again. These clever Amazon gadgets are total game changers, the kind of tools that solve everyday problems you didn't even realize were fixable. From sleek tech to simple must-haves, we've gathered the smartest gear that actually makes a difference. All the links are right there in the description. So, ready to take your ride from basic to brilliant? Let's check them out. Starting off with something every backseat passenger will appreciate: the car headrest tablet holder. Whether you're on a long trip or just trying to keep the kids entertained, this clever gadget transforms your headrest into a backseat theater. It fits most tablets, adjusts to the perfect viewing angle, and stays completely stable, no wobbling, no falling. Perfect for movies, games, or even learning apps on the go. It's one of those simple upgrades that makes every drive smoother, quieter, and way more enjoyable for everyone in the back. Now let's add a serious layer of protection to your drive with the Redtiger 4 Kelvin dash cam setup. This isn't your average camera. It captures crystal clear 4 Kelvin video with a wide-angle lens, ensuring you don't miss a thing on the road. It has built-in Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, night vision, and even loop recording. Whether you're using it for peace of mind, insurance protection, or to capture those unpredictable road moments, this dash cam's got your back. Easy to install, sleek in design, and smart in every way, it's a must-have. Next up, we've got a real game changer, the NOCO Boost GB 41,000 ampere UltraSafe jump starter. Ever been stuck with a dead battery in the middle of nowhere? This compact powerhouse can jumpstart your vehicle in seconds, even in freezing weather. It's ultra-safe with spark-proof technology, and also works as a flashlight and USB power bank to charge your phone. Just keep it in your glove box and you're ready for any roadside emergency. It's one of those tools you'll be thankful for the day you really need it. Ready to bring some futuristic flair to your dashboard? The heads-up display for cars projects real-time driving data like speed, engine, RPM, and temperature directly onto your windshield. No more looking down at your cluster, just glance ahead and stay fully informed. It's easy to set up, works with most cars via the OBD2 port or GPS, and gives your ride a premium, techie feel. It not only looks cool, but also adds a layer of safety by keeping your focus forward. A sleek, smart upgrade you'll love. Let's talk about one of the most annoying car problems, the seat gap. You know, that black hole where your phone, coins, or fries disappear forever? The drop-stop car seat gap fillers fix that instantly. They fit snugly between your seat and console, blocking that space entirely. Made from high-quality material, they don't slide, shift, or look out of place. It's a small touch that solves a huge annoyance. Seriously, once you install them, you'll wonder why this isn't standard in every vehicle. Liking these smart car upgrades? Every gadget we mention is linked right below in the description. Check them out anytime. If you're tired of a cluttered trunk or stuff rolling around everywhere, the Backseat hanging car trunk organizer is the fix you need. It straps onto the back of your seats and gives you deep, divided pockets to store groceries, tools, gear, or emergency kits, all without taking up floor space. It's especially useful for SUVs and hatchbacks, where every inch matters. Sturdy, sleek, and space-saving, it turns your messy cargo area into an organized, stress-free zone. When you run out of room inside, head to the roof. This rooftop cargo carrier bag gives you up to 20 cubic feet of additional storage, waterproof, wind-resistant, and super secure. It straps easily onto most vehicles with or without a roof rack and folds down compactly when not in use. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or need space for a family road trip, this bag lets you pack more, stress less, and travel smarter. No trailers, no fuss, just more freedom on the road. Ever been stuck in snow, mud, or soft sand with spinning tires and no traction? The Traction Track Tire Ladder is a must-have rescue tool. Just place these rugged plastic tracks under your tires and drive right out. They're tough, reusable, and light enough to stash in your trunk. Ideal for off-roaders, campers, or winter drivers, they'll save you from waiting hours for a tow. When you're dealing with bad terrain, these can be the difference between being stuck and getting home. No more mystery check engine lights. The ANCEL AD310 OBD2 car code reader gives you instant insight into your vehicle's health. Just plug it into your car's OBD2 port and you'll get real-time codes, error messages, and even the ability to turn off the check engine light, all without a mechanic. It's easy to use, even for beginners, and works with most cars made after 1996. A great tool for DIY car owners or anyone who wants to stay one step ahead of car trouble. Cable clutter is the worst, but the retractable car charger keeps things clean and tidy. It features fast charging capabilities with 2 USB ports, and the retractable cords pull out when you need them and disappear when you don't. No more cords tangled in your cup holder or gear shift. Compact, efficient, and travel-friendly, this charger is a must-have for commuters, road trippers, or rideshare drivers. Small upgrade, big impact, and it looks great too. Spotted something you want for your car? Just hit the links in the description to learn more or grab yours while it's still in stock. Want next-level peace of mind? The GPS Smart Tracker helps you monitor your car's location from your smartphone in real time. It's small, discreet, and super easy to set up. Whether you're protecting your vehicle from theft, keeping tabs on a teen driver, or just want extra security while traveling, this little gadget delivers. Battery lasts long, alerts are instant, and tracking is accurate. It's the kind of silent guard your car deserves. Tired of wrestling with your phone every time you drive? This car phone mount makes everything easier. It features a rock-solid grip, smooth 360-degree rotation, and an adjustable arm that fits almost any setup: dashboard, windshield, or air vent. Whether you're cruising cross-country or just heading to work, it keeps your phone secure and perfectly positioned for maps, music, or hands-free calls. Plus, it installs in seconds and holds strong even on bumpy roads. You'll never go back to cheap mounts again after this. Ever tried balancing lunch or a laptop in the car and ended up making a mess? This steering wheel tray is the kind of smart little gadget you didn't know you needed. Just hook it onto the wheel when you're parked, and boom, you've got a solid mini table for meals, work, or reading. It's lightweight, sturdy, and tucks away easily when not in use. Perfect for road trips, remote workers, or anyone who spends time waiting in the driver's seat. If you take pride in how your ride looks, this 8-piece car care kit is a total win. It comes loaded with essentials for cleaning, polishing, and protecting both the inside and outside of your vehicle. From tire shine and window cleaner to microfiber cloths and detailing sprays, this kit's got you covered. It saves money compared to regular detailing, and using it is oddly satisfying. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a clean car enthusiast, this one's worth having in your garage. Don't forget, all the gadgets we've shown so far are waiting for you down in the description, along with pricing and availability. If you ever deal with snow, this one's a game changer. Snow socks for your tires are a clever and lightweight alternative to bulky chains. They slip right over the tires and offer excellent grip in snowy or icy conditions. No rattling, no complex setup, just a quick, effective way to get traction when you need it most. They take up barely any space in your trunk and can be installed in minutes. It's one of those things you'll be glad to have when the weather turns rough. Winter driving can be a pain, but a foldable snow shovel makes it easier. This one's built tough yet folds down to save space in your trunk. When snow piles up around your wheels or you're stuck in a drift, you'll be thankful you've got it. The handle extends for better leverage, and it's light enough to use with one hand. Great for emergencies or everyday snow duty, it's a simple tool that can really save your day. Flat tire? No problem. This electric car jack takes all the strain out of lifting your vehicle. Just plug it into the 12-volt socket, hit a button, and it smoothly raises your car in minutes. No cranking, no sweating, no roadside struggles. Whether you're changing a tire alone or want extra peace of mind on long trips, it's a game-changing tool that belongs in every trunk. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. And there you have it, some of the smartest, most useful car gadgets out there, all designed to make your daily drives easier, cleaner, and way more convenient. Whether you're into comfort, safety, or just love clever tools that actually work, there's something here you'll appreciate every time you hit the road. If you saw something you liked, go check it out through the links in the description below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more gear that truly makes a difference. Thanks for watching, and drive safe out there!